In early 2023, one broke college student was sleeping in his parents' attic, needing his older brother to send him grocery money. 18 months later, he was pulling in $1 million a month building one AI app after another. The most surprising part of his success is that he isn't an engineer. He had never written a line of code in his life. He simply figured out how to sit in front of ChatGPT and ask it the right things. This wasn't a fluke. It was the result of a repeatable 3-part playbook that anyone can use to launch a micro startup this weekend. We are going to walk through every step he took. To follow along, you don't need a development team or high-end hardware, just an internet connection and a few free AI accounts. When an individual without technical training can outbuild traditional software companies, the primary skill shifts from writing code to identifying the right problem and directing AI to solve it. To find your first idea, stop asking what you can build with AI. Instead, look for what people are already obsessing over. You want to find an existing desire that is currently difficult to satisfy. You can find these obsessions by creating a burner social media account. Feed the algorithm content from one specific community, like skincare or career coaching, and then study the comment sections. The repeated questions you see there are unmet market needs. Once you have identified a solid problem, carefully watch for new technical releases. For example, when OpenAI released vision capabilities, it suddenly became possible for AI to analyze a photo and understand exactly what it was looking at. When you stand at this intersection, you can build tools that weren't possible 6 months ago. You are using a brand new technology to solve a problem people have been complaining about for years. To make sure your idea is worth building, run it through the 3-word party test. You should be able to pitch your app in 3 words and have someone instantly understand the value. AI rates looks, or photo counts calories. If you need several minutes to explain the concept, the idea is likely too complex to go viral. A successful app doesn't try to create new demand. It finds a behavior that is already popular and uses AI to make it effortless. Once you have your 3-word idea, your role shifts from ideator to director. You aren't writing the software. You are managing the AI assistant that builds it for you. If you give a vague prompt like build a calorie tracker, you will get broken code. You must give explicit screen-by-screen architectural instructions. Tell the AI exactly what should happen when a user interacts with the app. When the Analyze button is pressed, open the camera, take a photo, and send it to the vision model. As you build, follow one strict rule: ship the ugly version. Our case study founder launched his first app with massive bugs, broken features, and security flaws. Most engineers would have waited months to polish it, but he put it in front of users immediately. He did this because the live market provides feedback that you cannot get in private. Shipping a rough version allows you to learn what users actually want before you waste time perfecting the wrong features. Building the app is only half the work. To reach millions of users, the product itself must be designed to spread without a marketing budget. Scorecards turn personal traits into numbers, giving users a status symbol. They receive a current score and a potential score. Users share these, friends download the app, and the viral loop continues. To kickstart this process, ignore traditional advertising. Instead, find micro-creators. Look for anonymous accounts that have a few thousand followers, but consistently reach millions of views per post. These creators provide the highest leverage for your time and money. Message 100 of these creators. Offer a small flat fee, like $50, to naturally feature your app in their videos. If the money you make from those views is higher than the $50 you paid for the sponsorship, you can keep reinvesting until your app reaches the top of the charts. In the AI era, software is no longer a permanent advantage. If your app is successful, competitors can use AI to clone your features in a matter of days. This means your only real defense is being first. You must use superior distribution to capture an audience before the market becomes crowded. You can start today with simple ideas: an AI that generates a workout plan from a single photo of a gym, or a tool that scans your emails to find and cancel forgotten subscriptions. None of these require a breakthrough in computer science. They are simply existing problems that AI can now solve in seconds. The tools are available, and the market has already identified the problems. The distance between having an idea and having a working prototype is now just a few hours of focused direction. So open your laptop and start tonight.